Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Zanveer, and today in this video we are doing a print of two metallic colors, gold and silver. The gold color and silver shimmer, gold shimmer and silver shimmer. It will be like dazzle gold, and it will also be like dazzle silver. So this is we have gold flakes and silver flakes plastisol. It's ready-made plastisol. You can easily get it from our website printride.com. And we are also doing the second thing is that we are also doing in a new machine, Printride 2.0, the next level. So this is a new machine. So we are doing two things together, gold and silver printing in a new machine, Printride 2.0. So without delay, let's start the videos. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and for all viewers, like and share the video and press the bell icon if you have not done till now. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, you have seen we have taken a t-shirt and we have already done with the colors. Again I am showing you this is a gold color and that one is silver color. So we'll be starting the print. The mesh size is 160. So the print will be 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. So 2 stroke gold, dry again 2 stroke gold, 2 stroke silver, dry again 2 stroke silver. So guys, without a delay, let's start it. So guys, this is the print. You can see how beautifully it came, the gold and silver effect. And this print is done in our new machine, Printride 2.0, the next level machine. And this is a first testing video, and it came very nice from the ink perspectives and for the machine performance. So guys, and one more tip, if you want to make it more brighter, then use a underbase. Suppose this gold flakes and silver flakes will be much more brighter if you use a underbase. So if this much brightness is enough for you, then directly you can go for a print, or if you want more brightness, use underbase. So guys, this is for today's video. We'll come with a new video with some new next great topic with a new machine, Printride 2.0. And if you have any other questions, do feel free to comment us. We'll try to reply it. And if you want any machineries or all printing accessories, do visit our website printride.com or call the number given in the screen. So guys, for today, Ranveer signing off. As I always say, stay tuned, see you soon and stay healthy.